Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on an unboxing and some information on UAG or Urban Armor Gear's Apple Watch Band. The watch band is designed to fit all Apple Watch sizes. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing first. Here's the box, UAG. And that's actually the color. It's called rust. It's orangish. So let's go ahead and open it up. And we have the band. Nothing else inside the box. Let me try to get it out here. Okay. And there it is. High quality materials as usual. Metal hardware. So here I am wearing it. It's neat because it's Velcro and it has multiple Velcro stripes or straps on it, so you can set it to any size for your wrist. See the Velcro straps, and very comfortable, heavy duty. So let's go ahead and go over some of the specs on this. It has a hook and loop closure. It's stainless steel custom hardware. Fits minimum wrist size of 170 millimeter and a max wrist size of 220 millimeter. It has hook and loop closure security. You want to place the strap corner onto the watch opening. Begin to slide the strap through. If met with resistance, push down the small center lug in the watch strap, then keep feeding the strap through. The Apple Watch bands have watch lugs at both ends, which lock onto the watch interface precisely and accurately. As I said, it's high strength nylon weave, rugged and stylish, perfect for sports and outdoor activities. The watch band comes in 4 colors. It has a dark gray, a foliage green, graphite black, and the one I have pictured, which is called a rust. So that's my video on the UAG Apple Watch Band. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until the next time, I'm out.